everybody, it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back onto my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I truly hope that you consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you don't miss any other upcoming videos. Alright y'all, so today I'm bringing another synthetic wig review. This is a new unit from Main Concept, which is also the red carpet premiere. They have also come out with a line of HD melting synthetic lace front wigs. So today I'm going to be reviewing a unit in the style Shannon, and I have her in the color SR1B/burgundy. Now, this unit claims again to be HD lace. It says it blends and melts like no other lace. It has a 6-inch deep pre-plucked parting space, and it also comes with baby hairs. So let's just go right ahead and dive into this video.
Free to stay or just free to sing, free to dance, free to give into lust and romance. Free, that's what I want to be. That's what I want to be. Now things are moving along and I'm picking up speed. I'm singing my own songs and making ends meet. But good enough ain't good nor enough. When going for gold, then things can get rough. What lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out. Feeling free, free to live my life, free to roll the dice, free.
Alright y'all, so now that I have Miss Shannon all nice and styled, she's definitely stamped as beginner friendly and an easy throw on and go. Now I was inspired to pick up this unit once I saw Wigs and Wanderlust review her. I was like, oh, that is so cute. Y'all know I'm a huge fan of wavy units. And then the fact that I was able to get her in this burgundy color, yes. The HD lace, it's just like the rest of the HD lace where the lace is super light. And so you saw me go in and tint the lace. I feel like I didn't really have to do anything else, but of course you saw me go with my black eyeliner so that just in case the wind falls back, you don't see like a cast of white lace. So just so that it's blending, that's why I did that. So of course you also saw me chop her right on up and add some layers up in this baby. But you don't have to. If you're not comfortable or a fan of doing that kind of extra work with the cutting and all that, you really don't have to. I feel like you can wear her as is out of the pack. I personally was not a fan of it that way. That's just personal preference. I think this is the perfect length. Like, this is nice. This is actually summer and fall already. Like, the length is giving me summer. If I had it in like black or a blondish, honey blondish color, that would be more summer vibe. But this is like going into fall vibes right here with this red, and I love it. Love it. So I'm getting ready early. Another good thing is this cap size. Y'all know I have a small to medium size head measuring at 21.5 inches, and I have plenty of room in here. So my larger head friends, you can definitely get in here. Now, I have not been experiencing a lot of tangling with this unit. However, this baby sheds. Whew. I don't really like to put scissors to units that are already shedding excessively. And maybe excessively is strong. It may not be excessively, because I've had some wigs that have shed much more than this. But it's shedding enough where you're going to notice. I do feel like there's a little bit of a shine effect. This is a silky texture. There's no yak whatsoever. But of course, if it is too shiny for you, just go in with your dry shampoo. Now, some may feel like this hair is just like too big and poofy for them. And that's okay. That is always fixable with a little foam mousse. Here's my Nairobi foam lotion. Just add a little foam in there and it'll tame it right on down. I wasn't going to do this because I kind of like mine the way it is. But for you, for those that may not like it, you know, as full and big, then you can tame it with some mousse easily. As you see that I am doing here. See that? Makes a big difference. So she's tameable. See? In comparison to the fluff. I personally prefer the fluff in this particular style. But some may want it just a little more tamed, like this. Now I gotta get my fluff back though. I want my fluff back. Fluff back up. There we go. So you have options. Just showing you options. That's all right. So let's talk about the price of this unit. The standard price pretty much across the board is around $38, $39. $40 wig. And I know that may, you know, most people like to pay like $20, $30. So it's like just in a low to mid range. It's not really expensive, but it's not really, you know, budget friendly Friday type of wig either. But she's still cute. I mean, I feel like it looks and lays pretty natural. It definitely blends after I went in and tinted the lace. I feel like it blends well. So yeah, and it's easy. So I think that makes it worth it to me. I mean, it's $40. I would spend $40 on a unit like this again. If it's an easy throw and go and it looks good and it's a color I love, absolutely yes. So let me know what you all think about Miss Shannon. Is this something that you would rock? Is this something that you have already? Like, what are you feeling about this? Are you liking this color? Would you prefer it in a different color? I feel like a natural color would be really cute in this too. And I think that's what Wigs and Wonderlust had. No, she had like some kind of highlight in there somewhere, but it was like a natural color base. And I thought it was really cute. So I was like, I need that. Y'all know I'm here for the waves. I just love wavy units. Nobody told me. Oh my word, y'all. I have sat here and recorded an entire video. This is how blind as a bat I am. I'm sitting here looking in the mirror and I definitely can't see any kind of details through my camera. But, you know, I look down at the mirror so that I can see what's going on. And I'm like, oh my God, I got makeup or lipstick all right here on my chin. I'm not about to re-record this video at all. It's just not happening. But I got lipstick right here because in the middle of recording, I had to stop. And my son's best friend was having like a birthday drive around parade. So I had to go out, go get in my car, and I put on my mask. And my mask caused all of this to happen. Like, this is like the get on your nerves part of having to wear a mask everywhere. I didn't even see it this whole time. I'm like, oh my God, is that lipstick on my nose? Like, what is that? Hey, it is what it is. It happens. I was about to say, happens. And I'm not re-recording. Hey, I ain't mad. I don't feel bad. I don't even feel embarrassed. I'm just like, dang, you ain't see that, girl. You looking right at yourself. Nope, I ain't see it because I'm blind as a bat. Let me go ahead and wrap this video up. I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I will definitely catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to let me know what you think about this wig down in the comments below. All right, until next time.